Nope.
Gurpreet.
That's jokes.
That's jokes. The car's just gonna fly off in a minute. Oh look, the front doors are opening as well.
Oh man.
Gurpreet. I've never seen Gifton so quiet in my life.
Never. We're banging.
Look how quiet Rudra is as well. Like the mirrors are opening and closing.
I don't want to touch anything and break it.
This is so cool.
It's going to cost too much to fix.
I must think we're like peasants. We've never seen a car before. Look at the size of the screen, man. You can watch a movie on there. So smooth.
That's fast.
So smooth. Is this the one where you can fall asleep and it will just drive itself?
Actually, yesterday I did.
Car we needed when we went to Canada. Like, Gurpreet. Spacious
You
it
just
is.
put it on autopilot and just leave it.
What?
That's crazy.
So if it senses the car, it will brake by itself.
Yeah.
So you can put a fake fireplace on and you can play music. That's sick.
Keep it recording.
Yeah.
What's that tune?
Yeah.
Then
Okay, we're in Mars now, guys.
Smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my lady, this lethal, dog.
That's jokes. That was you, Gurpreet.
Don't just say it now, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. Yeah, to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke off with a 10-piece.
Oh, wicked, you can just doodle.
I'm just being friendly, dog. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mouth. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a.
Oi, that's madness.
and then you actually use the steering and the...
Really?
That's
crazy.
Need you to go away.
Look at all these old school games.
Anyway. Saw you last night, but did it all day. Yeah, a lot of murk coming in a hard way. Got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you love it.
Oh, it's got air ride, isn't it?
Still going
So I
bad
can
on your
adjust
Yeah,
the
yeah.
height of the car, right?
Oh,
So
sick.
if I do this,
Yeah.
the car going down.
Look on the light.
Oi.
It's got
Gurpreet, you
air
gotta
ride.
record this.
Air ride, isn't it? It's low.
You can see it going down.
That's all I wanted to do.
You just lift the door. Hey, Gurpreet.
Yeah. Okay.
I've got a button at the back. Oi. Oi, that's mad.
That's a joke.
Bye car.
Just make sure the kid doesn't get hold of it and drive it out.
So yeah,
The
Pai's just.
feature is in the morning when I wake up
Yeah.
and I'm getting ready. If I know in 5 minutes I have to leave, I will summon it
Yeah.
and it will heat up,
Yeah.
open the garage,
Oh
come
man.
out, be in the driveway ready for me and close the
Oh,
Yeah, so
nice.